Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making these different videos about different instruments. So this one I'll be making for Nasdaq. I'll make small videos, but separate instruments. Okay. So uh, it's better to keep it separate. So now Nasdaq weekly chart. I'm going to start from last year, July. This is the chart. This is how I track everything, right? So my Elliott, this is a harmonic pattern. Elliott wave, same thing, right? Both are same. So this is a pattern that I was okay. This is it, and it might be dropping to this rising TL, right? And this is the number that I was thinking that the black highlighted that this is where it's gonna come. So what happened to this chart as of October that it came exactly there, not exactly there, but came down a little bit more actually. This was the number, and then it came down a little bit more. And then I made the chart that, okay, this is wave 4 finishing, and then we're going to go up for wave 5 to this high or maybe higher. What happened to this chart is all the way there. It's not only this high, but it went up big time all the way there. So on March 23rd, I made the chart that now, since the extension, because there is nothing else. These stocks, stock markets are all-time high. There is nothing there to compare the highs and lows, and there is no technical, right? Except the Fibonacci. So this is the Fibonacci tool. This is how you use it. The extension. It's 127, so, and this is a channel, right? So channel hit at 127. So I said, okay, this is it. Big move to the upside. Wave 5 finishing, extended wave 5. Now it's going to drop probably back to 167, 64. So what happened to this chart as of today is this. Not this. Well, this is 23rd March again. And then you can see this is 15th April, right? So now today I recorded this chart is coming down nice and clean, and this is the target. What happened? I had a lot of trades in between. So now let me show you a couple of them that this is coming down. If on 4th April, this was a beautiful entry right there. This is how my system works, the entry system, right? Entry setup. And this is the EA taking my robot taking the trade. Right? This little arrow you can see. So that is a short taking by the robot, the automatic robot. So this was on April 4th, and I had multiple in between, but I lost. They are here, there in the computer. But what today's trade is this 15th April. This is beautiful short entry here, and this was the entry as well, and all the way down from this to this. This is as of today. But you know that this is what we are looking for, and we have a lot more to come. Now, my subscribers, if you wish to trade this, and if you do not have the proper brick size or box size for the indicator that I have given you, please email me so that I can give you the proper box sizes that I am using for 40-minute and 20-minute charts. All right, and there is just the name, but the box sizes are different. And the problem here is like that. Not the problem, but everything moves differently, right? So Nasdaq boxes are different than S&P, and S&P is different than US 30, and gold is different, oil is different. So that's why I'm asking. If if you wish to trade this instrument, then email me at myforestmagicwave@gmail.com, and I'll give it to you. Another thing that I want to mention is that there's somebody that subscribed, right? And I'm keep sending the email, but he's not getting it somehow. So what happened is usually that, because of your setting, you might be getting my emails in your spam folder, right? And you think that I'm not sending you anything. And there is no way that I can contact, especially when you are not emailing me on my email. My email is myforestmagicwave@gmail.com. It is all over, it's on my website on the front home page. And I have a note there that please email me when you sign up so that I know that we can have a communication over the email. If you send me the email or message through Hotspot, then there's no way that I'm gonna reply on that. So I'm replying. I think the name was James, right? So James, if you're listening to this video, I am replying again and again. I'm sending you the files again and again on the email that you provided me in that platform, Hotspot, when you sign up. That's all I have to contact. Please email me on my email, myforestmagicwave@gmail.com, so I can help you. Okay. So this is it for now. At the next video, I'm going to make S&P 500, and then I'll show you the direction, what the heck is happening and where it is going. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the direction for these instruments if you want to trade these. Okay, Elliott wave count, harmonic pattern, whatever it is that I'm going to put it up there, and you can take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm going to make this video public, and something, no problem, right? Few things, right? But you have to have the proper brick size, right? Or you can use your own system if you have, right? The entry system I'm talking. So analysis is one thing, but the main thing is that how and when to get into the market without going into negative or red, right? Red area. So this is it for now. Like I said, that please provide the your proper email when you sign up, so that I can send you the file. And please, if you don't get my email within an hour or two, then check your spam first, right? Might be my emails, might be a landing in your spam folder. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And the next video is coming up for S&P 500.